In this video, I'm going to show you how to create groups using Google Groups. First, you'll want to navigate to groups.google.com. To create a new group, click on the plus Create Group button. Give the group a name. Level 1 certification, I'm going to change the email here to just be something simple like Level 1. You can add a description. I'll forego that this time. Click Next, and then you can set basic permissions for the group. Who can view conversations? Would you like everyone in the organization to be able to join it or view it? Probably not. I'm going to restrict this to group members only. Who can join the group? You can invite people. You can allow people in the organization to ask, or you can allow people in the organization to just join up themselves. And you can add members here, or you can just create the group immediately. Notice, though, that there are different levels for members. You can have basic members, managers, and then the owner, which would be the person who creates the group. And that is how you can create a group in Google Groups.